Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you a secret or hidden iPhone feature which very few of us know about. So basically, iPhone has an individual self-diagnostic menu, and it's not with all the iPhones. So any iPhone starting from iPhone 12 and running the latest iOS version, you can find this option. But it's not very obvious, it's kind of hidden. So I will show you the method how you can go to that diagnostic menu and check everything about your iPhone. If it's a genuine iPhone, or by any chance if you buy a second-hand iPhone and you like to just make sure everything, all the parts are genuine and there is no parts change or camera has been changed or anything like that, you can check yourself. No need to go to a service station or a repair center. Everything can be checked from your iPhone, and I believe this is such a cool feature because there are a lot of things in iPhone: the Face ID, the batteries, cameras, the touch screen. Suppose your iPhone fell down, sometimes the touch doesn't work from some areas. If you're buying a second-hand iPhone, or if you're buying an iPhone from a local retailer, sometimes you're not sure about the authenticity and you're not sure all the parts are genuine. By this method, you can check yourself sitting at home if everything is correct, all the parts are genuine and everything is working perfectly fine or not. Regardless, to say that every iPhone you buy new comes with a 1-year warranty, so you don't have to worry about, but you can check it from home itself what exactly is going wrong with your iPhone before going to any service station. Now, how do you go to the secret menu? I'm showing you this method on iPhone 17 Pro Max, but you can check on any iPhone from iPhone 12 series till the latest version. So let me just switch off the iPhone first. You need to power on your iPhone, but before you power it on, you need to press on volume up and volume down together, but not the power button. Volume up and volume down button together, and then you start your iPhone with USB-C cable or whatever cable is compatible with your iPhone. So let me just press volume up and down together. You have to keep pressing volume up and volume down button, and then you switch on your iPhone by using USB-C cable. And once you see the Apple logo, you have to release these buttons. So once you see your Apple logo, you just release these buttons, and it will take some time and the phone will automatically boot into the diagnostic menu. It does take a couple of seconds, like around 30 seconds to 1 minute sometime. But you will not have a normal boot process. This will be a different boot process. And as you can see over here, we are in the diagnostic and repair menu. So this is a great feature by Apple. By sitting at home, you can check everything about your iPhone. When you click on this information icon on the right, it will give you the serial number and the IMEI version of your iPhone. Click on continue. You have to connect to Wi-Fi. To be able to check all the functions, you need to connect to Wi-Fi. So as you can see over here, it is giving a brief what all you can check. Click on agree. And here you can run the diagnostics. Click on run diagnostics. And as you can see over here, there are a lot of tests you can do sitting at home. You can do a self-diagnostic test of a lot of things which usually you have to go to a repair center to know whether it's working fine or not. So you have the mobile resource inspector, you have the audio. You can also check your display pixels, the multi-touch function, the Face ID is working fine or not, the camera qualities. For any reason, if you don't want to continue and just want to exit the diagnostic, you can click on these 3 dots anytime and click on exit diagnostic. It will take you out of this session. So every test will take some time. Click on mobile resource. The testing will take approximately 1 to 2 minutes, which is normal. While doing the test, it might increase the brightness automatically. And the best thing about this feature is you get the results same time. So everything is working perfectly fine on my iPhone. Apple Pay, the battery condition is perfectly fine. The Bluetooth is working good. Cameras, the cellular baseband, the display quality, eSIM, Face ID, LiDAR scanner, everything works perfectly fine. So everything has passed the test. Sometime your iPhone fell down and some areas will have issues with the touch sensitivity and the touch will not work. So you can check it over here. You can see the multi-touch is working perfectly fine. Multi-touch function is working great in my iPhone. There is no area where the touch is not working. You can check your cameras, image quality. So this is the front camera. I can click picture and check it. Also check the rear camera, use the picture, continue, telephoto camera, ultra wide camera. You can check all your cameras right from this menu and you will get the result same time, which is incredible. So you can see there is small issue in the camera, the front camera. The front camera failed the interactive testing. So you can see there was maybe a small error while using it. So everything is working fine. The cameras are working great. The front camera, the rear, ultra wide, wide, front, presence check, everything is working perfectly fine on my iPhone. And in the same manner, you can check Face ID, you can check the display pixels, you can check most of the main things which you need to be working fine on your iPhone. You don't have to go to any repair shop or something. Suppose your iPhone fell down in water or it's a water damaged iPhone. You can check everything if the speakers are working fine or there is some hiss sound or some issues before going to the Apple Service Center. So guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you how useful this tool is for anyone who is using iPhone. You can self-diagnose everything. Most of the important things are here and you can check it yourself. It also shows whether the phone is genuine or not and the authenticity of the phone. If there is any parts change or not, everything can be checked here. And if you like to come out of this menu, you can just click on these three dots and click on Exit Diagnostics, which will take you out of this diagnostic test and your iPhone will boot normally. So just like that, you can come out of the diagnostic menu. But I really think this is such a useful tool and everyone should try it once if you face any issue or in general if you're curious enough to know. That's it for this video guys. I really hope you like this video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next one. Till then, goodbye. Peace.